Hello everybody, this is Ray from Babco. I'd like to talk about placement of your vehicle on a two-post lift. This is very important, especially considering center of gravity and lifting points. Let's talk about lifting points first. Your lift is going to come with a lifting points book. Now, common sense really does come into play here, but this is a very helpful book, and it'll list by manufacturer and model, and it covers pretty much everything. These are the proper places to lift the car. Depends on what you might want to do with it as to how you might want to lift a frame instead of the body, stuff like that. But basically, this is where you want to lift. So you use the proper adapters and you come in with this. Now, where do you put the car in relation to the posts? Often asked question. Your lift also comes with a book called Lifting It Right from ALI. This explains center of gravity. If it's a front-wheel drive car, you're basically lifting with the posts centered on the dashboard. Rear-wheel drive would be pretty much where the butt of the driver would be. You know, it's past the dashboard. This is obviously common sense again. The amount of weight front to back has to be considered. Heavy trucks, consider what's in the back of the truck. You may want to place the vehicle differently. You also have to consider getting out of the car as you come in. You're driving in on that side, you have to clear the post. Sometimes you may have to roll the vehicle to compensate for this, but it has to be considered. Be aware of center of gravity.